Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to Heiko's Garage. Today we are going to talk about wires. So at the same time as we are updating my desk, I'm also going to make a mounting wall for all the router, splitter, modem. Alright, so now I can maybe even make this a little bit more clear what this is gonna be. So this is gonna be in a corner of a room. Yeah, that fits pretty okay, I think. And then here on this surface I'm gonna mount router, splitter, modem, blah blah blah. And then I will drill to the inside and always run all the cables inside this 45-degree corner, and then I paint it round off the corners. Now I'm going to cut a little strip here. We'll glue and staple this on, let it sit, and in the meantime we can fiddle around with the layout of my electronics. How about that? So now we're going to try to glue and staple this strip on here. It really doesn't matter all that much if it's 100% in the middle, but of course that would be nice. So let's just measure. Alright guys, as you can see, huge mess of wires here behind my desk, and I want this to be a little prettier. That's why this thing is gonna be mounted in the corner at a 45-degree angle, and then at the top the lid will be a little shelf to put, you know, some decoration on there. So at the moment we still have internet, but that's going to come to an end now. helping me. We're working on the cable management right now. So this is made out of MDF, as you saw me cut it, I think. And there's going to be a little lid up top, which I can use as a little shelf or whatever. These are the devices that I'm planning on permanently mounting here. My TP-Link router, my Spectrum Internet modem. Here's a splitter just to increase the number of Ethernet ports that I have. This is monitoring our solar water heater. It doesn't work currently, have to figure out what's wrong with it. And then we have this big battery backup thing that gives me a chance to save what I'm working on in case we have a power outage. This happens here occasionally. And then another power strip that's also surge protected for all the network devices. I mean, network is not essential, but power to my computer, that is essential. Next little update, we made some progress. We have cable managed all the power cords. They are pretty much now directly coming out of the MDF board right wherever it needs to be plugged in. The Ethernet cables I have attached to the MDF board with little P-clips in certain locations. That might change over time. I might add a few more here. This is a power over internet, power over Ethernet adapter to power one Ethernet line that goes down to my garage. That's the black one. We still kind of have to massage that through this board, and that goes into the crawl space right here in this corner. The coax cable for the modem also comes through the board. That also comes out of the floor right here in this corner. So yeah, P-clips, Ethernet cables. The only blue one here, the blue one is a Cat 5 going to my printer, which is fine. The other ones are all Cat 7. I don't have anything faster than gigabit Ethernet, but at least I wanted the Ethernet to have the best possible wiring I can afford. So all Cat 7 except the blue one. I didn't order a long enough one for my printer. Down here, the cable management from all those little power supplies, the power cords go behind this power strip through the board and then coming out right there. So down there in the corner behind our network wall, I removed the carpet and the tack strips and the underlayment, the soft stuff, and I also put a piece of MDF into this corner so that the network wall has a nice flat surface to sit on. And I've already painted the network wall, so now next step is going to be us installing it here and making sure it doesn't fall off the wall. As you can see, not too terrible. Table just hanging down. I just need to make sure I don't run a screw right through one of them. But this is all going to be hidden behind the board. So now everything done, well, it's touched up. The device is all mounted. Cable management relatively clean, right? Do you guys agree? Here at the bottom is still kind of a mess because of all the power cords. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this, and most of it is going to be hidden behind my desk. So now I'm going to clean up all this mess that I created here. Vacuum this corner. I'm going to slap my desk back in the corner here, and then install my computer, and then give it a good look. So now everything is back in place. Computer hooked up. Here's the shortest Cat 7 wire that I have. It's focusing on this, huh? Instead of back there. Anyways, yeah. So the new desk top on my old desk. I still have to put the drawers back in. Keyboard drawer right down there. And my hidden, not my hidden, but my cable managed network wall. Now we can work on some decoration around here, and we can you know, try to keep the corner clean. Kind of a mess here still. Mess, more mess. Anyways, alrighty guys, that's it. That's 2 projects completed, desktop and my network wall. If you guys like those kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care, bye.